we're gonna call it a day, and then we'll hang out again some other time. Thumbs up.
Yes. We'll hang out again soon.
Okay,
It's been super
perfect.
fun.
Thank you so much. It's been fun. Thank you for hanging out. I'll see you again. Whenever we have a fun idea, I'll see you. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Oh, my bad. Okay, cool. Sorry. My bad. Okay, sorry. I'll be leaving, I guess. Okay, bye.
Ahaha, did you hear her? Yeah, get out of here.
Okay.
Let's do this again sometime.
Okay. Goodbye, Neuro. Goodbye. Thank you so much for hanging out. Toodaloos.
Bye, Lily. Nice way of saying toodaloo.
Right? It's cute.